Do all 2022-2023 Honda Civics have spare tires? No, it depends on the body style. Sedan models like LX and EX typically come with a Honda tire repair kit, while hatchback models such as Sport, EX, and Touring include a compact temporary spare tire. For hatchback models, the spare tire is located under the cargo floor in the trunk. First, remove the cargo area floor panel by lifting on the handle or unclipping it. Then you'll find the spare tire secured by a wing bolt. Turn it counterclockwise to release the spare. The jack and lug wrench are located in both sedan and hatchback models in the trunk or under the cargo floor, secured in a tool bag. The jack is a scissors-type hydraulic unit, and the lug wrench is a standard L-shaped tool. First, ensure safety by parking on a flat surface, engaging the parking brake, and placing wheel chocks behind the tires. Before jacking up the vehicle, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise, but do not remove them completely yet. Position the jack under the vehicle's frame near the flat tire. Raise the vehicle only enough to clear the flat tire. Never crawl under a jacked vehicle. Finish unscrewing the lug nuts and remove the flat tire from the vehicle. Mount the spare tire onto the wheel studs, then hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle using the jack. Once the tire is on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to 80 feet-pounds using a torque wrench if available. If you have a sedan, use the tire repair kit. Inject sealant into the tire valve, inflate to 32 psi, and drive slowly under 50 miles per hour to a repair shop within 100 miles. Visit a professional as soon as possible.